Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today on Tool Talk episode 12, we're moving into Tekton again. Yes, you guys might have watched my previous video on Tekton. It was the release of the USA made wrench set that they have. Currently right now, they're still out of stock. By the time this video is released, they might be back in stock and I might actually own them recording a video, but who knows? We'll see. But today we're going to go into a product they've had around for a few months but haven't really seen anybody doing reviews on. I think I've seen 2 reviews that are a couple months old, but nothing else. So I picked up 4 of their new ratchets, and that is the 90 tooth ratchets. I picked up their new non-quick release ratchets. I just don't really care for quick release ratchets anymore. I've moved away from them. I like the flush back head. So I'm going to show you the 4 that I got, compare them, show you some of the changes that they've made and improvements, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Also, you can either buy these at Tekton.com. If you have an account with them, you can actually get money back for every purchase that you make, and you can use that money next time you make a purchase at the Tekton website. Or you can go down in the description, you can see tools I suggest, and I find them as cheap as possible on Amazon, and I try and share them with you. So if you're interested, they're there for you. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, YouTubers, so I actually ordered these December 13th, I believe it was, and they actually got lost in the mail. And they finally arrived the 26th, I believe, something like that. I was gone. But finally got them, making the video. This probably won't be released for a little while, but I hope you guys enjoy. So I got 4 ratchets from them. 1/4 inch and 3/8. I didn't get a 1/2 inch drive because I have plenty already. But starting out, I got their new, all of these are going to be non-quick release. I like the sleek design, and the lever is the right direction. So right is loosening and left is tightening, just like you would see on your snap-on. Right is loosening, left is tightening. So if you're used to your high quality or that style, left being tightening, right being loosening, if you're used to that, this is going to be the same. So that's great. This being the 1/4 inch drive 6 inch ratchet is going to be part number Sierra Romeo Hotel Oscar, maybe 01006. And it's a 90 tooth. All of these are going to be 90 tooth. This is an upgrade to their old ratchets, so you can get these in quick release as well. So just keep that in mind. Check out their website or down in the description. I'll have these linked on Amazon, or as many as I can find. So they've done a lot of changes. I'll post pictures up in here so you guys can see the changes. Obviously, they upgraded from 72 tooth to 90 tooth. They have a much sleeker, smaller head design on all of their ratchets now to getting into tight spaces. New handle design. You got Tekton there. You guys can read that. And as always, Tekton has a beautiful chrome job. Now, all of their ratchets will come with a couple drops of light machine oil to aid in break-in of the new parts, but they do say it's easily accessible to go in and lubricate and clean your ratchets, so you can always add your own lubrication. And as always, they're going to come packaged in these nice little boxes and in a bag, and it's going to come with your lifetime guarantee. If you ever have a problem, just contact Tekton or visit Tekton.com. And it's simple as that. And you can find them in stores as well. But all these ratchets are going to range anywhere from about $20 to $35 up to the biggest one that I have. So that is, I would like to compare this to the old Tekton, but I didn't buy them because I didn't like the feeling of the 72 tooth or how bulky they were. So I can really only compare it to some of the other 1/4 inch ratchets that I have. This is the Gear Wrench 120 XP. As you can tell, it's a little bit longer. This is the snap-on. TL72, so this is 72 tooth, but it is their long 1/4 inch drive, so it's just as long as the snap-on, but you got 90 teeth, just as thin as the snap-on as well. They did a great job on the head design. It's actually a little bit thinner than the snap-on, if you guys can see there. So they shortened them, or they made them smaller in both length, width, and depth, which is great for tight spaces. And that goes with all of their new ratchets. So that is the 1/4 inch standard. Then I got the 1/4 inch flex head semi-locking. Then on the flex heads, they actually have Tekton up here instead of here because of the flex portion. They can't fit Tekton in here. The handle design is really nice. They kind of got this beveled bottom so your hand doesn't slip off, and then you got this little groove in here as well. It's really nice. I find it extremely comfortable. The thing that's nice about this, I have a gear wrench 120 XP. And if you're wondering, 90 tooth, that is a 4-degree arc swing. So it's 4-degree arc swing in all these new ratchets. Same thing with the lever, and it's kind of recessed in there as well. So you won't be bumping it on anything or anything like that. The nice thing is with this, on their flex heads, you will have 9 different positions. My gear wrench has 7 different positions. And it does hold in place fairly well. Nice strong clicks. And once again, they're all going to be oiled the same way, same features and everything. Minus, the previous one not being a flex head. Same length and everything. I really like these new ratchets. They've done a really good job on these. Then next up, it's gonna be, forgot the part number. Sierra Romeo Hotel, come on, focus, 21006 for the flex head. Then this is the 3/8 drive flex head. Once again, Tekton up top. Nine positions again. Nice strong clicks. Same handle design. And I got rid of like my DeWalt and a lot of the other brands that I had just because the heads were so bulky and the handles were so bulky. They've done a really good job on these. Also post pictures, if I haven't already, of the specs of torque that these handle and just the different features so you can see a little bit better. But this is the 3/8 drive flex head, semi-locking. Kind of compare it to some of the other 3/8 that I have. Head design being a little bit thinner than the Snap-on FL80. I believe it's about the same as the Carlisle. We have a Silver Eagle here, which is quite a bit fatter, and this has a quick release as well. It's the only quick release ratchets I have now. Here it is compared to the Gear Wrench 120 XP. And then here's the other flex heads that I have, so you can tell the head design is much smaller. Of course, this isn't the long version, this is just the standard length 3/8 drive. But once again, 9 positions over the 7 positions that you have with the Gear Wrench 120 XP. I do believe this 84 tooth has more positions. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 positions on the 84 tooth, but this is also the locking version. But just showing you the head differences. They did a really good job on keeping the head small but strong. All right, let me go ahead and clear some of these out so you can just see the Tektons. Yes, I know, a lot of ratchets. I'm gonna keep these over here. All right, and then the last one I got, after I give you guys the part number on this, Sierra Romeo Hotel 21108. And this is going to be the 8-inch, both of these being 6-inch. And then this guy right here, Sierra Romeo Hotel 01118. And this is their 3/8 drive extra long ratchet. They have this in half-inch drive as well, which is 24 inches. I believe this one is 18 and a half inches long on this. Can't even get it fully in here. Once again, a great comfortable handle. They've kept the shaft a good diameter for strength. Got Tekton right there. But a very nice small head design. And if you've already seen the pictures that I posted up here, they've obviously changed it quite a bit. But let's see if I can fit this in here on the screen. Raise you guys up a little bit. Alright, so my other 3/8 long ratchets are going to be these flex heads. As you can tell, if we keep them much longer. So I really wanted a 3/8 drive that was really long. I think that's a really cool idea and great design, even compared to my long half-inch drive. Matco, and that's the 88 tooth, and then I have the Carlisle 90 tooth, and these are half-inch drive, keep in mind, and it's longer than the Carlisle half-inch drive as well. And this is my longest half-inch drive ratchet. So you get some really good length here with this 3/8 drive, and it can handle a really good amount of torque as well. So once again, 3/8 drive, 18 inches long, or 18 and a half. It states it as an 18-inch ratchet, but it's actually 18 and a half. But I really like that. Now I'll go ahead and actually put some sockets on here so you guys can see that the non-quick release ratchets, how well they work. So for the 3/8 drive, holds it nice and snug. Little ball detent. And then the 1/4-inch drives as well. Holds the sockets really well. Really love the new head design. Let me know what you guys think of that head design. I think this is an absolutely beautiful ratchet. All of these 90 tooth ratchets are. I like the lifetime warranty. The price is great. The 90 tooth, I mean, it's all around really great buy. Really like that they upgraded their ratchets. That's the one reason I own a lot of Tekton, except for their ratchets, is just because I didn't like the feeling of them before. Now they've upgraded it, and I really like it. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.